For a normal conception, we all know that we need a normal semen count of 15 to 20 million. But is pregnancy possible with a sperm count of less than 2 million? Yes, it is possible with a wonderful technique of ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. We can select morphologically normal sperms and inject into the eggs of the female partner with a very good success rate.
Hakani ka jing permanai result jong ke HSSLC ha Meghalaya. U captain jong ka kunhunai la kai cricket ke Meghalaya jong ki bahapo khat khandai snam karta. Shim layo ban kamai san poran ne shispa run. Henry ulayo ban kamai pat saus pa Andrew Pupra marks bat yo ya ka kerdan ke balai ha ke examen class 12 jong ka commerce stream. Uniu noi la kai cricket ke jela udah di Pangkar Barwa bapulia ka Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School Shillong. But hagajing im jung hi uple jingmot agajing lakai cricket but kumjor agajing pulia habau yo alat. Udi pangkar ulaong bola penkre bahan ka bentagan ke examen re udap pat agajing kandidat bon yo sendan ni ka kerdan ka balai. Ulang bawat lau la yo ka kerdan ka balai but onlet ban pulia ka BBA deka thong bagajing ang jung uhi hagajing im kalong ban long unoi lakai cricket ubat tebet. Udi pangkar ulaong bagalong ka ba shibuan man ple jingmot lang hagajing lakai cricket but kumjor agajing pulia. Bada kesnam kebalalet shim layo benlet bahasa skol ne wat ban pulia kumbalai benai. Namar bulia lakai hakaling gejela ban mikmat ka Meghalaya. Uniu noi lakai ulong bagi no hikai bagi perlok juu gila ai men siam bahayu bun kre ka kot. Bat ban pen kre ka examen bat ulayo apat ban khet ya uso jong ka jingjob.
So how do you feel about your results?
Actually, I was not expecting the third position. It was a total surprise for me because I prepared only for like a good percentage with what I could get admission in any college which I desire. So this third position was a total shock for me.
So what are your plans?
My further plans are like any commerce student he pursues BCom or BBA only. So I'm opting for BBA in finance field, and the college I haven't chosen yet. I'll see which is the best college around because I was not expecting this percentage. So I think like I'll go for a more better college now.
So what do you want to become?
Actually, I'm also in the sports field, so my first target is to become a professional athlete, and my studies are just like a backup for me, where I can, like, if the professional athlete, my dream doesn't get into reality, so I can go on with the backup also.
So adding to that, you are a state cricket player.
Yes.
So can you tell how do you adjust both studies and the cricket playing?
Actually, it was quite difficult for me for like adjusting like both the worlds. My professional athlete is another world and studies is another world. So it was quite difficult for me. And last year I could not. I was not in school for like 3 months. I was like other parts of the country to represent my state. So it was quite difficult. Those 3 months I could not study also because there were practice and everything. So it was quite tiring. So I could not like focus on studies. But after I came back, I thought like, okay, I'll study for like 4 to 6 hours and I'll try my best to get a good percentage. But what really helped me was a good friend circle and good teachers. They actually motivated me. Like, you can do it. You have the capability inside of you. So actually, you need to have a good friend circle with you, who are friends who are motivating you, who are pushing you to go forward.
Like at your age, you are focusing yourself not only in studies but even in sports. But what we've seen in our state is that many youths are into drugs. So what is your message to the youths of our state?
Like regarding this, we the generation are called the Gen Z. So the Gen Z are mainly affected by our friend circle. If we have a good friend circle who are motivating and pushing us forward, we'll definitely go in the right path. But if we have friends like negative friends, and we will attract a negative mindset also. So we need to have a good friend circle. Then only we can move to positivity. If you have a negative friend circle who keep pushing you down, they are just like, come roam with us, why study so much, nothing will happen. If you have like that friend circle, then you'll totally get into drugs, alcohol and everything, which will not take you anywhere. It is just like pleasure for like 2-3 minutes or just for few hours. You cannot risk a future for pleasure of few hours. The main pleasure which comes is like it is better to have a pleasure after 5 years than 5 years of pleasure and 50 years of regret. Just that.